Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about why I'm going to Oxford University. Oh my gosh. So, if you didn't know, I am going to be staying at Oxford University for a week, and the reason why is because I'm a Universify student. So yes, I did not spell the title of this video wrong. I am actually a Universify student, not a university student, because I'm literally 14. But the reason why I'm going to be staying at Oxford University is because I'm part of this program called Universify. Universify is a one-year program that is made to help students with a lot of potential but tend to be disadvantaged, aka poor. So yeah, I'm really grateful to be part of this because only 4 students in year 10, because this program is for year 10 students and it's aimed to help them with their GCSEs and prepare them to do their GCSEs in year 11. So only 4 students got chosen to apply for this, and I was one of them, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be staying at Jesus College, and this is going to be in August, from the 11th of August to the 17th of August. Wait, no, the 18th of August. So yeah, oh my god. I'm going to just give you the main things that are in the student rule book and the student handbook. So I'm going to read the student rule book first, and yeah. So obviously, no smoking, no illegal drugs, no weapons, and they'll be confiscated if found. These rules are designed to allow all students to take part in Universify education in a fun, fulfilling, safe manner. It is imperative that you follow them. If you do not, it may not only be your own safety and enjoyment that are impaired, but also those of other students. Attendance, registration, and curfew. So you must attend registrations at the beginning and end of the day before each timetabled activity. You should be in your own room and you should not visit other students after 10 p.m. Excess noise is not permitted. You must arrive in good time. You are expected to attend social and cultural activities during the day and evening time. You must notify staff members before going into town and must not go alone, minimum groups of 3. Any trips into town must be within curfew requirements. If you are ill or unwell and feel that you cannot attend a class, meal or activity, please inform a member of staff as soon as possible in order to make alternative arrangements or seek medical attention. It is therefore imperative. Okay, so this is accommodation. This is the accommodation section. It is a great privilege for us to use the accommodation and facilities of the university. It is therefore imperative that you treat the staff and students of the colleges with courtesy and respect. Where there are gender-specific areas, you must stay in the areas provided for your gender. Look after your room. Keep your room clean and tidy. You or your parents will be charged for any damages to college buildings, furnishings, or property. You may be given a key to your room with an electronic card. That's so cool, oh my god. For access to college buildings. They are your responsibility and you could be charged £30 to replace these if they are lost. Damn, £30. Lock your room every time you leave it and you are responsible for your possessions. You may not enter restricted areas of your college, any accommodation building or floor than the other one you're staying in. You're not allowed into the rooms occupied by the Universify education staff or college staff at any time. The rest of it's kind of like, yeah, waffling. Bullying and harassment, just, you're not allowed to bully people, end of story. everyone knows what bullying is. I don't need to explain what bullying is. So yeah, warnings. Is there anything else? Wait, there was somewhere in here, I don't know where exactly it is. For some reason I can't find it, but basically we are not allowed to use our phones during class time and meal time, because this is like summer school, so there will be classes the whole time that I'm staying here, and those classes are going to be shown in their student handbook. So let's begin. Blah 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 blah. You'll be studying maths, English and sciences, which will help you with your GCSEs, but you will be stretched beyond this, as well as academic content. You will learn useful techniques for research and critical thinking. Oh, why am I not reading right? While you are with us, your time will be broadly divided into two areas: academic activities and social and cultural activities. Here is a sample timetable of So I don't know if this is going to be my actual timetable. If it says sample timetable, hopefully it is the exact same timetable, because I've already put myself into the mindset that it is going to be my exact timetable. All the ones in dark grey are academic activities, and all the ones in light grey are social and cultural activities. So here's a look. You can pause the video if you need to. So Sunday we just arrive, we have course directors welcome, then from 7 to 10 p.m. we have ice cream and icebreakers. So from 9 a.m. so we have to wake up at 8 a.m. every day from Monday to Saturday. So basically like school, but a bit easier because we wake up there. Yeah. So we have our breakfast from 8 to 9 a.m. Then we have an academic session, lunch, group work, Delaglio, I think I pronounced that right, Delaglio rugby work session, dinner, free time / coaching, and punting, then bedtime. On Tuesday we have breakfast in the morning, so I'm not going to include breakfast every time I tell you the days, because yeah, obviously we're going to have breakfast every single day from the day we arrive till the last day we arrive. So I'm not going to say we start lessons from 9 a.m. basically. So we have an academic session for maths, then we have lunch. After that we have group work, Delaglio rugby work session again, dinner, free time / coaching, then debating and bedtime. On Wednesday we have academic session, English literature. The academic section is English literature, lunch, and then a half-day excursion to Pitt Rivers Museum and college tours, and a trip up St. Mary's Tower. I don't know what any of this is, but I'm gonna look it up obviously before I actually go there. After we come back, we'll have dinner, then free time / coaching, cinema. Oh my god, I'm actually so happy, I'm so grateful, you don't understand. Then bedtime. On Thursday we have an academic session on quite a lot of things. Earth sciences, biological sciences and astrophysics. Damn. Then we have lunch, and then we have admissions talk and Universify, University live session. Then Delaglio rugby work session. After that we have dinner, free time / coaching, then Bill Spector's ghost tour. Oh my god, I haven't even seen this yet. What? I didn't even see this. Oh my god, ghost tour. Okay. I need to stop getting excited. Really? I'm so grateful. Oh my god. Friday, we have academic session, critical thinking, lunch, final preparation and presentation of group work. So that means that we have been working on a presentation the whole time. Oh, that's interesting. Activities, Bob costume creation. So I haven't even seen this either. Oh my god. So we're creating a costume. Wow. After that, we have dinner, then free time / coaching, and graduation ceremony and bop disco. I'm sorry, but the word bop actually is hilarious. Bop. Okay, so that is my timetable. I'm super pumped up. I'm so happy. I cannot wait now. Like, I'm literally 1 month to go. 1 month to go to Oxford University. Yeah. Looking after your welfare on the course. I'm not going to read all of this because bear in mind, this is a big booklet, you know. I'm not going to read all of this to you because I know you're going to be bored out of your mind. So, blah, 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 blah. We just have someone to speak to if we're unhappy about something. And yeah. Also, it's saying how they keep everything we tell them confidential unless they have to because of the law. Over here it says you're staying Oxford, what do you need to bring with you? So you'll need to bring a number of things to make the most of your time here. Your bedrooms are cleaned and fresh sheets will be provided, so do not bring bed sheets or a towel. There is a laundry room for students if necessary, though we would recommend you to bring enough to last you a week. You will need to bring documents, identification, just so that we can make sure you are the person we are expecting, such as a photocopy of your passport or citizen's card. Clothing, enough suitable clothing. English weather can be changeable. True. Even in the summer. So be sure to bring at least some warm and waterproof clothing. Bring enough for a week. Comfortable or sports clothing for 3 sports sessions. Optional, a bathrobe or dressing gown. Some students prefer to visit shared washroom facilities in a bathroom. However, this is not essential. Equipment, notepad and pen. I'm so excited. Thank you, Oxford University. Not that you're going to watch this, but yeah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to me and follow my social medias, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, even though I don't use Facebook, or Twitter, but yes, please follow me. Thank you for watching. Bye.